Hi, I'm Margarida and I work at customer support here at Nutrium. Today, I'll be showing you our newest feature, which is set to be launched in the next few days, the Meal Plan Generator. With this feature, you'll be able to save a lot of time in the creation of your clients' meal plans. So let's take a look. This new feature lets you create personalized meal plans and therefore dedicate more time to your clients. Rest assured, however, that you can still make the changes you want to the software suggestions. So, how does it work? First of all, after filling in all of the information in tabs 1 to 4, you'll access tab 5, Meal Plan. If your client still doesn't have any meal plan created, you will be shown this little table. Here, you can see that you have two options to create a meal plan. You can do it from scratch, and you'll have to fill in the information manually, such as the foods, recipes, and whatever you'd like to add to your client's meal plan. Or you can click Auto Generate Meal Plan. Bear in mind that this feature will only work if you haven't created any meal plan for your client, meaning if it's a recurring client or if you already have a meal plan on their profile, this feature will not appear and you'll be able to use the software as per usual. Once you're done, click Auto Generate, and you'll be able to see the nutritional needs which have previously been registered in planning. If that's not the case, that's no problem at all. You can still fill it in here, make the necessary changes, both in the macronutrients and in the energy value, for instance. This also applies if you skipped all of these tabs and access the meal plan tab directly without filling in any information in the planning tab. You can fill it in right here and then analyze the planning that the software created for you. Other than this, you can also select your clients' preferences and/or restriction. The software will then show you the top suggestion in regards to the energy values and macronutrients you have filled in, and a few other suggestions which you can browse without any inconvenience, as well as preview prior to importing the meal plan to your client's profile. If you want to preview the top suggestion, just click here. If you want to preview the other suggestions, just click here. The software will then ask you if you want to import the selected meal plan to your client's profile. You can say yes, and then the plan will be imported and you will be able to make the changes you want should you wish to, or then you can click no. If you click no, like I mentioned before, you can choose to create your meal plan from scratch and the process will be the one that you are used to already. Now, if you do want to import it, just click on the meal plan, select yes, and the meal plan will then appear on your client's profile. Reminder that you can still make the changes you want, even though this has been imported from a suggestion of the software. Hopefully, this feature will make your life easier. Nonetheless, don't worry, the process isn't that different. You can still work with the software as you always have up until now. You will only have more time to create the first meal plan and dedicate it to your client. Any question or suggestions that you might have, please don't hesitate to let us know. It's super useful and the best way for us to keep improving. Thank you for watching this video.